Hello Research Rocks, in this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a tower fan. Brand comes from SilverCrest. I'm purchasing this product here based on Copenhagen, one of my favorite grocery store, and that one is a Lidl. There I'm purchasing this one just only 199 Danish krona. This have 3 speed, low, medium and high. And we can see one of the displays also available, LED display, and so many features they are providing this tiny tower fan. Let's do unboxing and let's see which types of product I am receiving. Perfect. I am purchasing that time 2 color available there. One is a black and second one is a white. I pick up black one. This is the magic booklet, how to use. All the information is here. And look at this here, a tiny fan, tiny remote. Inside the box I am receiving 2 base also for tower fan, so we can stand up tower fan on the base. So first of all I fix the base in the tower fan like this. Like this. This is the base, and now you should fix this one for this base like this, and very easily fix. Now I just simply put this one in power and let's see. And after that you just simply remove this one and the battery start. Now let's see. Oh, and one of the important point come here, tower fan are not generating noise. Previously also I purchasing one of the tower fan, but the tower fan are creating too much noise. This one is very relaxed, no one can recognize here fan is available or not. That one is really nice. The LED display is also available here. Temperature you should fix here, how much temperature you require accordingly. So here the fan manual, turn it on is here. You should timer you can fix like 1 hour, 2 hours, and after that automatically off. That one is really nice. So I just simply select one of them, swing. This one is a swing 1 and 2. After that here the manual, and here speed. One is a lower, medium, and this is a high speed. And after 1 hour they automatically turn it off. This is the timer is activated. That one is really nice, affordable. And here the remote control is also available. You should use the same things in the remote as well, the swing, manual, or the hour as well. That one is really nice. And after that you won't turn it off. That's it. You have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.